Hi, I'm Dani McClain. I'm the Cincinnati Library 2020 Writer-in-Residence. I think this is an opportunity just to connect with the library, obviously, and other literary institutions in the city and people that frequent and that feel connected to those institutions. Some of my goals, the book that I wrote, We Live for the We, The Political Power of Black Motherhood, that came out in April. So over the course of the past few years, I've been reading a lot about mothering and black families. So I was reading Patricia Hill Collins, a sociologist who's written foundational work about black family and black feminism, Audre Lorde's Sister Outsider, Asha Bandele's Something Like Beautiful. Right now I'm doing a lot of just reading for fun. I just finished The State of Affairs by Esther Perel, who writes about relationships and sexuality. I just checked out, and I should say I'm a serious library patron. Like, these people who are buying books all the time, I buy books as gifts, but for my own reading, I come to the library. I just checked out the library book by Susan Orlean about a fire that consumed the Los Angeles Library. The Yellow House by Sarah Broom, which just, I believe, won the National Book Award in nonfiction. I plan to read that. It's just a handful of the books that I'm looking forward to getting into. I'm Dani McClain. I'm the Writer-in-Residence, and I hope to see you at the library.